Hey, family, one love, what's up? Jesse Tree here. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm having a most glorious day. Grateful for each and every day. If you're alive, it's your day today. So, giving thanks for life, for health, longevity, prana, and I wanted to talk to you today about one of my favorite foods for longevity, health, wellness, and trying to it's something that I'm just passionate about is a long life. I would like to have a long life because I love this life. And so, you know, the quality of your life is connected with your health, as is the length of your life. So, one of my favorite superfoods that I work with every day is this here apothecary. This is a tart cherry concentrate. And one of the wonderful things, there's many wonderful things about tart cherry concentrate. On the one hand, it induces your body to create melatonin, and it actually has melatonin in it. So this is going to help you get better sleep, which is a key component of longevity and having good energy. It's also connected with heart health and mental health. So the polyphenols that are in tart cherry juice uh, keep your heart healthy, and it's high also in potassium, which is important for your heart, and it's also like a precursor for 5-HTP, which is a precursor for serotonin. So um, it also helps with rejuvenation after exertion. I'm a landscaper, gardener. I like to exercise and do calisthenics, and so this helps with recuperation afterwards. And the high antioxidant polyphenols help with cellular rejuvenation from free radical damage, but also with flushing advanced glycation end products out of your body. So, if you don't know what advanced glycation end products are, they're essentially what makes you age. And that's why there's an acronym there, AGE, Advanced Glycation End Products. And so these antioxidants help with this cellular rejuvenation. So if you combine better sleep, better heart and mental health with better energy, better sleep, and cellular rejuvenation, you're talking about life extension. You're talking about quality of life, that is much higher. It's also helpful for cases of over acidity, like if you're experiencing something like gout, it can flush gout from your body. Um, and so, the the benefits are multiplicitous. So every night I make a superfood drink with this, one way or the other. What I'm going to make tonight is I'm going to show you here. I'm going to make a goji berry tea, and I put a little bit of this in there with a little apple cider vinegar and a little bit of maple syrup to sweeten it. This is also low glycemic enough that diabetics can take it, and it can help with treating and helping with diabetic condition, especially type 1 diabetes. It's going to improve, your insulin resistance and help you combat hypoglycemia. So let me show you this recipe. So this is super simple. I first made a goji berry tea with just a handful of goji berries and some hot water, and I just let it steep all day, and I just strained it out. So it's just straight goji berry tea. I'll simply put 1 to 2 tablespoons, I just eyeball it, of the tart cherry juice in there. And I add about as much maple syrup. And then just a dash of apple cider vinegar, like a teaspoon or something. And that what makes like a mocktail. So I'm about to break my fast, my 23-hour-a-day dry fast, and this will be what I have at the end of my fast here. And that will just help me to, have experience all those benefits: better sleep, uh, you know, better cellular rejuvenation, better mental health, etc. So hope you got something from this family. Hit me up if you'd like to get a discount code for the apothecary here. It's also part of the lifestyle transformation, which we're really set on helping people transform their health, not just change it for a little while, but make lasting habits. So if I can support you in that, let me know, and I hope you have a beautiful day.